Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make transparent text on CapCut. So when you open CapCut, what you want to do is to start a new project. So when you start a new project, come to stock videos. So when you come to stock videos, look for the green screen, then add it. So after adding the green screen, at this point, you can come and add the text from here, then say add text. Alright, so I'll add any text of my choice. So after adding the text of your choice, you can adjust it to fit your criterias. Okay, so I'll adjust it up to there because that's what I want. Then you come down to the timeline, then adjust the text to fit the video. Alright, so after doing that, you can basically come and save this. So you save that from that point, then you're exporting it to CapCut projects and even to your phone gallery. Okay, so that's just the first step. After saving it, you tap on done. Then therefore you come back to new project once again. So this time round, you look for the video that you want to edit. So let's assume I want to edit this video here. So I'll tap on it, then I say add video. So as you can see, this is a video. So when I come to it, I come to overlay, then I choose add overlay. So to the overlay, I'll add the video that I had imported or I had exported first. So this is a video of the green screen, then I'll add it back here, then I'll adjust it to fit or to cover the whole video. Right, so after that, what you're going to do is to come down here, then look for cutout, then come to chroma key. So when you come to chroma key, put it down here in the green screen, not in the text but in the green screen. Alright, so after that, let it go, then select intensity. Now increase your intensity to 22. Alright, so it's at 22. Alright, it's at 25, but no problem. So after increasing your intensity, therefore the green screen has disappeared first, but our aim is to make this text look transparent. So to do that, go back to the home page, again go back to the home page, again go back to the home page. Alright, now select the overlay, the text here, then choose blend. This is blend over here. So when you choose blend, select overlay here. Alright, so you tick from here down. Alright, so as you can see, the overlay blend basically makes the text transparent. I hope you're all seeing it, guys, because as you can see, there are cars moving, but the text is basically transparent and you can see through it. Okay, so that's how to add a transparent text in your video, or that's how to make transparent text in CapCut. So thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.